welcome back to my habitat. I'm Andrew Beauchamp, and today we're gonna do some switching around, potting these up, and then I wanna sow some really fun annual small flowers. Let's get started. So the seed dahlias have done pretty darn well. We end up having 10 plants out of the 12 that we put in, so that's pretty good. Now, the reason why I'm transplanting them now, they could have probably stayed in this container until, honestly, for the next month until we put them out. But I want to use this for tomatoes that are currently doing really well. Most of them have come up with really good germination. I'm really excited to see these dahlias. I've never planted seed dahlias before, or dahlias from seed, and I have no idea what these are going to look like. So it's really hard for me because there's a few here that I was like, oh, I'll thin them. And I'm like, I can't make that decision. That's a hard decision to thin something because you might be getting rid of the best one. Who knows? I'm just really excited for these. Every single one. I can't wait. I'm going to do 24 cells of Nemophila. The variety is called Penny Black. Beautiful little compact plant with little tiny flowers. I've seen these in stores. I've never grown it myself, so I'm getting really excited to try this out. Also, Daniel picked out this variety, so I'm really happy to plant it up. Next flower we're going to do is Lobelia. Crystal Palace is the variety. Beautiful, also another low kind of ground cover, not really a ground cover, but smaller annual, which provides a lot of color all through the season. I'm going to be planting these directly into these terracotta pots. I'll probably grow them up throughout the season inside these pots. Unless I can't find a place for them, then I might take them out, break them apart, and then put them wherever the heck I want them. I'm slightly pushing down the top of the soil because these seeds like to be surface sown, which means you don't put soil on top of them. Usually that means they like light to germinate. So that also means that they should be in a bright spot. And I'm going to sow these seeds about 1/2 inch apart. Those very tiny. These are probably going to go upstairs on some sort of table in front of a window because I'm not going to be able to fit the terracotta pots on here. They're too big and bulky and taking up way too much real estate. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay gardening.